Along with the newly unveiled Nokia 3.2, HMD Global announced the Nokia 4.2, which is another entry-level device. It arrives as the first Nokia Android phone with the number 4 in its branding. Welcome to Tech City, my name is Dolapo and today I will be unboxing and giving my first impressions of the Nokia 4.2. Without wasting much time, let's head straight into that. The device comes in a typical Nokia phone box, with the back listing its key specifications, but we'll talk about all that in a bit. First, let's see what we have inside. On opening up the box, the first thing we see is the Nokia 4.2 itself wrapped with plastic. Holding the device, I already have a first impression. I think this phone is small, not in a bad way though. Its small size makes it feel really portable in my hands. As for the weight, I think it's just right, not too heavy and not exactly light. Let's leave the phone for now and check what else comes in the box. There's a SIM ejector, product manual and information card. And then we have a charging adapter, USB cable and wired earpiece. And then that's all in the box. Pretty basic stuff in there. Now let's talk about the device itself. The price of this smartphone is about 50,000 naira, so I'm not so sure if I should expect so much from it. If you've picked up any of Nokia's many smartphones from the last couple of years, the 4.2's design won't be at all surprising. The back is made of glass, which makes it slippery, so you might want to get a phone case cause one drop and it could be gone. Like really gone. It comes with rounded edges and right at the top of the device is a headphone jack and microphone, a front-facing camera here, and then the USB port and speaker at the bottom. Oh wait, it looks like the USB port is not a Type-C. Oops! I mean, this is the era of Type-C USB, so finding the micro USB charging port here is actually disappointing. I expect that charging on this device may be slow because of that, but we'll test all of that and give you results in a detailed review. On the right side of the device, there are two buttons. I'm guessing this is the volume rocker and then the power button. On the other side, there's a SIM tray and another button, and I wonder what this other button is for. Well, we'll find out when we turn on the smartphone. At the back, there's a dual camera, flashlight, and fingerprint scanner. The first thing you notice about the design is its slim bezels and some chunk at the bottom of the device. According to the specification list, the display size is 5.71 inches, which sounds like a lot of display room. But looking at it, the display is not as large as I pictured in my head. I think this will be perfect for those that don't really like big screens. There's a teardrop notch at the top, which is where the selfie camera sits. The display has a resolution of 1520 by 720, which I think is dull comparing with other devices in the same price range. Increasing the brightness to its maximum, I'm not sure the Nokia 4.2 will do so well in sunny conditions, but we'll test that later. And yes, this odd button is actually to launch Google Assistant. For the processor, Nokia has gone for Qualcomm's Snapdragon 439, a low-end octa-core chipset that's clocked at just 1.95 GHz. This is followed by a reasonable 3 GB of RAM for multitasking and 32 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to a further 400 GB via a micro SD if you run out of space. For battery life, the Nokia 4.2 comes with 3000 mAh battery, which in my opinion is not large, but from the reviews we've seen around, there have been mixed feelings about how good the battery is. But then Nokia is known for good battery, and I hope this particular device passes the test. The Nokia 4.2 has a dual camera system on the rear, one 13 megapixel lens paired with a 2 megapixel camera. The camera can be slow to launch, and the shutter can also take its time. Because of this, you need to be still when trying to take a picture to avoid a blurry result. As for the front-facing camera, it's an 8 megapixel one, and I think the colors are good, but you should note that these pictures were taken under good lighting. Being a Nokia device, It's part of the Android One program, which means users will get all major and minor Android updates on a timely basis, unlike in other devices that have to wait a while before new updates are rolled in. Overall, I think the highlight of this device is its premium design. I also like the fact that for a good price, Nokia gives you a hint of features usually found in high-end devices. Alright guys, that's it for this unboxing. Let me know what you think about the Nokia 4.2 and what you'd like for us to test in the detailed review. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on all our social media handles at TechCityNG.